Welcome to this ultimate guide on setting up your smart IPTV for unlimited entertainment. First, get your smart TV ready, ensuring it's connected to the internet without issues. You need to understand your IPTV app interface. Choose Smart IPTV and install it seamlessly. Once installed, open the app. You'll see an empty playlist screen waiting for content. Let's add a playlist. First, find your playlist URL, usually provided by your IPTV service. Enter this URL using the options menu in the Smart IPTV app, precisely into the URL field. After entering your URL, don't forget to click Add Playlist to load your desired channels. Congratulations! You've added a playlist. Now, let's explore the settings for best experience. Go to Settings and ensure your EPG, Electronic Program Guide, is correctly set for content guides. Adjust timeout and buffering settings to match your internet speed. This avoids streaming delays. Set favorite channels for quick access. Here's how easily you can customize your visual feed. For maximum content, check out 2tv.store, offering a tremendous variety of shows and movies. Simply visit 2tv.store, subscribe to get exclusive access, and enrich your IPTV playlists seamlessly. 2tv.store ensures you receive best IPTV service with stunning visual quality and easy navigation. Having successfully set up your IPTV, sit back, grab popcorn, and enjoy uninterrupted streaming. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials enhancing your viewing pleasure.